Hey guys, I hope you had a great weekend and you're ready to get back into school. Hey, I wanted to do a video, a little voiceover, talking about what your job is for today. So you have LinkedOn Classroom, your scientific method practice, and it's also a practice to start answering questions in complete sentences using part of the question. So you are going to open up this scientific method practice. You're going to read the scenario. You're going to read the questions. You're going to answer all the questions in complete sentences, making sure that you include part of the question in your answer. Your answer should be able to stand alone as a fact. You need to fill in any part of this document that is highlighted in yellow. Make sure that you have it all complete before you hit the turn in button. So I first want to show you just an example of what I mean by answer the question with part of the question in your answer. So here's my example. So if I ask you a question, what is your favorite color? In the left-hand column, the non-example, which means it's not the correct way to place the answer, you would just fill in the word pink. So my favorite color is pink. You guys know that. But an example would be, my favorite color is pink. Do you notice how there is a capital at the beginning of the sentence and a period at the end? And it also includes part of the question and the answer, because the question was, what is your favorite color? And I answered by saying, my favorite color is pink. So those are the ways, that's the way that I'm expecting you guys to answer your questions on your document today. So I'm going to ask you to practice answering these questions in using part of the question in your answer. So you're going to answer the question, what is your favorite food? You're going to give me the non-example. So if I was answering this, what is my favorite food? I would just simply put the word that my favorite food. And then you're going to add the example, including part of the question in your answer. Same thing on this one. Where did you go on your favorite vacation? Doesn't have to be from this year, doesn't have to be from last year, of all times, favorite vacation. Give me a non-example and then show me what that example would look like. Show that to me, show me that answer, including part of the question in your answer. Then you're going to come down here, you're going to read the scenarios, and you're going to answer the questions, complete sentences, including part of the question in your answer. You're going to go down here to this scenario. You're going to answer the questions, including a complete sentence with a capital at the beginning and a period at the end, and make sure to include part of your question in the answer. And the third one, you're going to read this scenario, and you're going to answer this. So what these are asking you to look at are figuring out what the independent variable is, what the dependent variable is. It's talking about control groups. These are all things that you are going to need to know before we do our first experiment. So you're going to have this practice today, and then you will have another one very similar to this the next time you're remote. So get this done during class time, hit the turn in button, and I will see you all in the building soon. Bye. Love you all.